The biggest rookie mistake in graphic design is trying to cram information into every single square millimeter of empty space on a flyer. Hello, design students. Today, we are talking about the art of breathing room, scientifically known as negative or white space. White space is not wasted space, it is the essential layout glue that gives your readers' eyes a place to rest. When a poster is overcrowded with icons, logos, shapes, and paragraphs, the human brain gets overwhelmed and simply tunes out. To fix this in Canva, use the grouping tool to cluster related items together, like putting a time icon directly next to the event schedule